If you're trying to choose between these Beatbot models, it can be a bit confusing because they all look capable. Well, that's because they are, but they're not designed around the same priorities. Let's cut through the feature list and talk about the real differences. First up, Sora 70 versus AquaSense 2 Pro. These are the tier below our next comparison, but they overlap on some of the basics. Both are cordless, both clean the waterline, floor, and the walls, and both return to the surface for easier pickup. Both also support obstacle detection. Sora 70 uses SonicSense AI ultrasonic obstacle avoidance, while AquaSense 2 Pro uses a 22 sensor system for obstacle detection and full coverage path optimization. Now let's talk about what's different. Sora 70's main advantages are simple: more suction, a bigger basket, and a dedicated surface debris system. Sora 70 has 6,800 gallons per hour of suction compared to 5,500 gallons per hour on the AquaSense 2 Pro. It also has a 6-liter filter basket compared with 3.7 liters on the 2 Pro. The surface cleaning difference is important here too. Sora 70 uses advanced jet pulse water surface cleaning for light floating debris. AquaSense 2 Pro can clean the surface, but it does not have jet pulse. Runtime is also solid, up to 7 hours of continuous surface cleaning, up to 5 hours of floor cleaning, since it has a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. It also has SonicSense AI ultrasonic obstacle avoidance, like I said earlier, so it's not a basic random pattern underneath the surface. But on the water surface, its route is still more random compared with the AquaSense 2 Pro's planned pattern. Both are cordless, both clean the surface, waterline, floor, and the walls, and both return to the surface for easier pickup. AquaSense 2 Pro takes a more featured balance approach. It cleans the same 4 physical areas as Sora 70, but adds clear water natural clarification as its 5th function. So the extra capability is the water care, not just another cleaning zone. It also has a larger battery, 3,400 milliamp hours, with up to 10 hours of continuous surface cleaning and over 5 hours of floor cleaning. So while the Sora 70 has stronger suction, the AquaSense 2 Pro has the longer surface runtime advantage. The trade-off here is that the headline strengths are spread across more functions, while Sora 70 puts greater emphasis on suction, basket size, and floor cleaning endurance. So the AquaSense 2 Pro gives you more structured coverage, clear water support, and longer surface runtime. The main thing you're missing here is the jet pulse water surface cleaning that Sora 70 has. Next up is AquaSense 2 Ultra and AquaSense X, and they both start from the same premium foundation. Both use HybridSense AI vision, both clean the pool's surface, waterline, floor, walls, and platforms, and both include water clarification as a part of the pool care experience. And even the sensor count is close: 29 sensors on the AquaSense X versus 27 sensors on the AquaSense 2 Ultra. So their differences are built on top of the same basic cleaning foundation. Now let's focus on AquaSense 2 Ultra and what makes it a very complete premium pool cleaner. Its strength is intelligent in-pool cleaning. It maps the pool, uses AI crews to rescan for missed debris, and recognizes around 20 different debris types, which is plenty for everyday pool cleaning. It also has 5,500 gallons per hour of suction, dual side brushes for surface debris, app navigation on the water, smart surface parking, and one-touch app retrieval. So compared with a basic robotic cleaner, AquaSense 2 Ultra feels very advanced. It sees the pool, plans its route, targets debris, and makes retrieval easier. But the main limitation is the 4-liter filter basket. It's still practical, but you're emptying it and rinsing it yourself after the cycle is complete. AquaSense X takes that same foundation and moves it into a more automated, higher spec category. The first jump is perception. Like I said, both use HybridSense AI vision, but AquaSense X recognizes double the debris types at 40 instead of 20. That gives it more context about what it's actually cleaning. The second jump is pool memory. AquaSense X can remember up to 4 platforms, which really matters if your pool has tanning ledges, shallow entries, or multiple raised areas. It can also return to the original entry point as well. So pickup is more predictable. Where you put it in is where it's designed to come back. The biggest upgrade is maintenance. AquaSense X has a 5-liter onboard filter basket. Then the Astro Rinse station adds 22 liters of extra debris storage. So after a cleaning cycle, you simply place the robot on the station and it automatically cleans the filter and transfers debris out of the robot. The 22-liter station capacity means that you can go much longer between emptying depending on your pool conditions and debris load. Instead of rinsing out a basket after every few runs, you're mainly replacing a sealed bag when the station is full. It also adds voice assistant integration, which fits the idea of the whole product. Less manual checking, less manual cleanup, and more of its routine happening in the background while you get to chill by your pool. So the simplest way is to think about it like this. AquaSense 2 Ultra automates the cleaning inside the pool. AquaSense X extends that automation beyond the pool into storage, filter cleaning, pickup behavior, and smart home control. And that's the feature breakdown. So after all the specs, here's a summed up quick version of each one. Sora 70 is for the pool owner who mostly cares about visible cleaning results, strong suction, jet pulse surface cleaning, platform coverage, and a bigger basket for debris-heavy pools. AquaSense 2 Pro is for someone who wants a safe all-around pick, physical cleaning, water clarification, planned coverage, long surface runtime, app control, easier retrieval, plus the stronger exterior finish and warranty package. AquaSense 2 Ultra is for the tech-focused owner who wants AI precision inside the pool, mapping, debris detection, surface control, especially for larger, more complex layouts. And AquaSense X is for the person who wants the most hands-off experience. If you care about smart home control, less filter maintenance, and a more premium, almost invisible pool clear cleaning routine, that's the one. So which feature would you like to see tested next? AI debris detection, surface cleaning, floor coverage, platform cleaning, or filter maintenance? Let us know in the comments below. And make sure to check the links as well for complete product details. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.